Hey, I'm going to teach you another secret today that you will not learn from anybody else. And again, I learned this tip sitting at a dinner table with somebody that was worth almost $1 billion for 6 years of my life. Because when I was young, I was engaged to a girl whose parents were worth about $350 million about 25, 30 years ago. So you can imagine today how much money that would be. And they made their money out of real estate. Now, how did the father make the money? Well, one thing I noticed was that, for example, he was a developer based in Sydney. And yet at one point, I remember sitting around dinner table and he was saying to us, well, you know what? Sydney has boomed, right? The prices have gone up, but Melbourne is still undervalued. I think I'm going to buy some properties in Melbourne because that city is going to have to go next. Because if Sydney's already gone up, Melbourne will surely follow. And guess what? He went and bought about 3,000 units in Melbourne. I'm not talking about just a few. He bought thousands of units. He bought apartment blocks, right? He was buying properties, right, in whole blocks. Didn't do anything to them, just bought them. As long as they were in reasonable condition, he would buy the whole apartment block and just hold them. And guess what? In 2 or 3 years, Melbourne went up, Melbourne boomed, and he made a lot of money, many millions of dollars. Now, I actually followed the same strategy, and I bought a couple of units in Melbourne, doing the same thing, and guess what? At the time, I made about $18,000, $20,000, which for me was a huge amount of money about 30 years ago. But I did it by following somebody that was more successful than myself. Always remember this, do not take advice from people that are broke. Don't listen to your parents, your relatives, the people you have around you. Listen to somebody who is making a lot of money in the real estate business because they're more likely to be able to guide you. I have bought and sold millions of dollars worth of properties, right? I've been broke, I've made millions, right? But I've learned one thing, right? Never get advice from people that are broke. Always look for people who are successful in the field that you're trying to learn from. That's my tip for you for making money for today. I hope that's been helpful. Till the next time, signing off. Hey guys, now if you want to get instant access to all my free videos, reports, case studies, and other useful tools in order to make money in the real estate business, please head over to our website right now. It's all there for you, absolutely free. Just go over there now.